Does this recipe put the raw in rar? Everything the light touches is our kitchen.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Just can't wait to be king. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make carpaccio. 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 Carpe diem. Seize the raw meat. Seize that raw meat. Well, it doesn't. Let's begin. Oh no. Uh-oh. Didn't set that up properly. Luckily, movie magic. Editing. I do it. Let's get started. Let's start by getting saucy. Sauce. That's fine. Blenders. Let's make a tonnato sauce. Tonnato? Tonnato. Let me sing you a tuna. Ooh. Put the tuna in here. Put the oil in there too. It's good stuff. Flavor Town. Oh. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, Daddy likes. You smell like Saturday night. Party time. Well, that doesn't sound. Then I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. Tablespoons? Ooh. Oh no! You're such a stupid. Why is there mayo everywhere? 2 tablespoons of mayo. Why did the condiment quit his college fraternity? Because he was tired of getting mayo hazed. Anchovies. 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 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 5. And 5. And 1 for me. Woo! That's almost as salty as my ex-wife. I don't have an ex-wife. Get yourself the lemons. Lemon? Lemon press. I'm not lemon pressed by your performance. Arigato. Ha! Ha! What? If you don't like your anchovies, feel free to use drunken uncle chovies instead. About 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Woo! Almost as bitter as my ex-wife. You don't have an ex-wife. Garlic. Ah, so messy. It's so messy. It's like a tornado came through here. We're gonna use 1 clove of finely minced, or whatever it was. We're putting it in a blender. It doesn't have to be that finely minced. 1 clove of garlic in here. Woo! It's almost as garlicky as my ex-wife. Sour Patch Kids are good. So many flavors in my face. Then we're gonna add in some capers. I like capers a lot, so I'm gonna use like, I don't know, like 2 tablespoons or so of capers. Just a little pinch of cayenne, just to say hello. And then a little glug of olive oil. Give it a big thickie. There we go. Blend your sauce. Ooh, mamacita. Tonnato sauce. And if you don't like steroids, you can get tonati sauce instead. Capers are good. Yum, yum. What's Superman's favorite condiment? Capers. Get yourself a Serrano pepper. How hot are you? Oh. Ooh. The seeds are still hot. Why are you so hot? Chop up your Serrano. Okay, it's hot. Do little slices of Serrano. Beef. Normally I like to pound my own meat, but the butcher did it for me this time. Plate your meat. Carpaccio. Carpaccio. 1 more, 1 more, 2 more, 6 more. You can do more, you can do less. I'm gonna make some more later for friends that I have, for sure. I'm gonna start off with a little sprinkling of salt. Good amount of frischel criffles. A little tonnato on top. Do a couple shavings of Parmegiano Regiano on top. Lemon zest. Little bit of lemon zest. A little bit of tarragon. That's almost as tarragon as my ex-wife. I'm gonna put on a couple slices of our Serrano peppers. You're so pretty. A little bit of olive oil on top. And a little bit of light sprinkling of Gochugaru on top because it's pretty. Carpaccio. And now I eat you, Carpaccio. It's so easy, it's so good. And your giant bucket of Maldon. A little finishing salt on top. So good. Carpaccio is great and all, but plain paccio is much safer. Stupid. Getting one last in. And tarragon? And Parmesan? Good. Bye, friends.